Hi, Dr. Ray. Welcome back. Week 2, ingredients for a better life. Thanks for coming.
Good to see you, Jay. Nice for you to have me on.
So a lot of people are asking, once I regrow my hair, do I have to continue to stay on the Stop and Regrow oral capsule for the rest of my life?
Good question, Jay. You know what? The 6-year-old says, "Hey, do I have to brush these teeth twice a day for the rest of my life?" And the parents say, "Oh boy, I don't really want to answer that question because if I tell them a good, healthy habit that keeps them healthy for the rest of their life, they're going to have to do every day." Some people would be disappointed. But Jay, think about going to the gym, right? Sometimes you get a really big, nice muscle and you say to yourself, "Oh boy, do I have to continue going to the gym to keep this muscle?" And the answer is yes. So if you have a supplement that goes inside your body and produces an optimal chemistry that all 200 cells in your body say thank you, it is a blessing to be able to take a capsule inside our bodies to be able for that to happen. And Jay, you don't have to climb any trees to find the ingredients. You don't have to chase down any animals. You don't even have to be home. You just have to be able to put the capsule inside your mouth. And that's how easy it is today to reverse hair loss that happens genetically, and you can forever grow your hair.
Makes sense, Dr. Ray. You couldn't do that 20 years ago. So thank you very much for answering the question. Thanks for your time, and we'll catch you next week for the next question. Take care.
Thanks, Jay.